Alright, got a Nissan K21 series engine, cylinder 2 misfire. Let you hear it. Obviously got an exhaust leak, but cylinder number 2, no change. I got a known good cylinder. Change. So the ignition coil has been replaced. That's obviously hasn't remedied it, but you heard it cranking. It sounds like we're low on compression. So the test I'm going to do is relative compression tests with an ignition sync. I got the second channel of my oscilloscope hooked up to the turn on control signal for the transistor in the coil. And I got a amp clamp around the battery cable. So I'll show you the test. Alright, so I got the main fuel injector disconnected because I want this thing to crank and not run. I got just a T-pin in the cylinder number 4 control wire for that ignition coil, and I got an amp clamp around the positive battery cable, and see what we got. Alright, so if we had good compression in all 4 cylinders, we would have 4 equal humps. As you can see, we have a series of 3. We have a good hump there, good hump there, good hump there. We're missing one, and then it repeats. Alright, and if you look at the blue trace, every time that the ECM turn on the transistor in that coil is when you had, when the transistor turned off, that's when you actually have spark. So if we plug in the firing order for this thing, which is 1, 3, 4, 2, we'll see that over here we have a firing event, so that's 4. So the next one will be 2, and then it's going to repeat. 1, 3, 4, 2's missing. Go over here. 1, 3, 4, 2's missing. Alright, so number 2 is the cause of our misfire. There's no compression in cylinder number 2, and we did that without removing a spark plug or really taking anything apart.